Hello there, this is Sradha, a clinical psychologist, and today we are here to understand the importance of flexibility. It's going to be a year ending. 2023 is about to end, and we are going to enter 2024. And I feel we all must have had certain goals in our mind that we needed to attain this year. However, there would be certain goals that would have not been attained due to n number of reasons. Now, as goals are something that are very susceptible to how much effort and how much time we need to fulfill them, it is essential that while setting certain goals, you need to understand how much time is required for us to fulfill them. And sometimes we either underestimate or overestimate certain goals, and hence this new year, at least make one of the resolutions as to decide and make your goals much more smart. Now, SMART over here is an abbreviation. I'm going to list the meaning of SMART, and these are the characteristics that your goals need to have this new year so that you can fulfill them by the end of the new coming year. So, this is it from my end. You need to also understand that you need to be kind to yourself and compassionate towards yourself in order to function better and in order for you to enjoy the things that you're doing. This is it from me. Happy New Year to you and your family. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such content in the new year. Do support us by giving us a like or comment below. See you in the next.